Salutation from the entire global news. My name is Julia Lacar, and the topic of today's news is the FBI cybercrime operation. In an FBI cybercrime operation, a 17 years old boy is detained. The 17 years old youth was taken into custody in relation to a worldwide cybercrime organization that preyed on large corporations. As part of an international investigation against a cybercrime ring, an adolescent kid has been taken into custody. Following a coordinated investigation by the FBI and West Midland Police, the 17 years old from Wilson was taken into custody on Thursday. He was arrested on suspicion of violating the Computer Misuse Act and blackmail, and was later freed on the bond while investigation were ongoing. The arrest is a component of an ongoing investigation into a widespread of cyber hacking community that targets several significant corporations, MGM among them. Once more, I'm Julia Lacara from the News Report team.